Prestwood IT offers wireless bridge installation. We can extend your internet up to several miles, from your home to an office on your property or to a work shed or barn. Have you parked your RV down by the river near your home? Yep, there too. Anywhere where both sides have a power source and a direct line of sight. Hi, I'm Mike Prestwood. My company Prestwood IT Solutions in Citrus Heights provides tech and IT solutions for families and businesses. While we specialize in remote Microsoft 365 integration with Windows, Apple, and Android devices, we also offer computer repair and tech installation in the greater Sacramento area. Let's dig into wireless bridges. Essentially, there are three categories of wireless bridges we work with: Gigabit category, True Gigabit, and Industrial. A Gigabit category wireless bridge costs under $300 plus installation fees and can deliver speeds in the lower gigabit range. True Gigabit wireless bridges start at about $600 plus installation fees and can deliver speeds in the high gigabit range. Expensive industrial wireless bridges start at $1,200 plus installation fees and can deliver speeds above a gigabit. Notice I said can and not will. Let me explain. First, understand that whenever you go from wired data to the air, you are going to lose a bit of speed. How much depends on the quality of the wireless bridge and environmental factors like physical obstacles, interference, and distance. Let's break down Gigabit category, True Gigabit, and Industrial wireless bridges. First up, Gigabit category wireless bridges. Remember Cat5 cable. That's fast internet and tops out at 100 megabits per second. A Gigabit category wireless bridge features low latency and can exceed 100 megabits per second. And if the origin is over 300, you can expect transfers above 200 megabits per second. These devices, frequently called Gigabit wireless bridges, are rated up to 700 megabits per second or even 900. But you'll notice these devices do not say 1 plus gigabit per second. In this category, we frequently use one of the VIAND or Adalov models in the $200 range. Next, True Gigabit wireless bridges offer even lower latency and regularly transfer at speeds close to a gigabit per second. True Gigabit bridges, like the Ubiquiti Gigabeam Plus, use a highly focused beam and the 60G spectrum instead of the congested 5G band. This allows for faster, low-latency transfers. To future-proof your investment, this is the category we recommend even if your origin is not currently above 1 gigabit per second. Gigabit wireless bridges tend to advertise 1 plus gigabit per second transfer rates. When provided a gigabit per second origin, they can deliver transfer rates at or near a gigabit per second, but obstacles, interference, and distance will still impact the speed. Finally, enterprise-grade bridges are more reliable, long-range, and built for rugged conditions. They are expensive, but worth it if you can afford it. Now let's talk installation. These devices use power over Ethernet to power these devices. Some use a passive 24-volt PoE injector, while others use a standard 48-volt one. Passive electricity can send power as far as 150 feet, but I wouldn't exceed 100 feet unless you're using PoE optimized cable. Passive electricity is one way. In this case, 24 volts is sent out, and the injector never knows if the receiving bridge device receives what it needs or not. On the other hand, active PoE is smart. It negotiates power delivery, ensuring the right amount of power. With quality Cat6 cable, 48-volt PoE can officially reach up to 100 meters, that's 328 feet. But in real-world conditions, I recommend staying under 250 feet. Beyond that, you may need a PoE extender or fiber optic solution to avoid voltage drop. So, when running cable for PoE, if reasonable, find the nearest power and put the injector there. Let's conclude with 2 more tips. 1. Add service loops where reasonable. This usually means at the ends and about halfway on long runs. 2. When reasonable, add a drip loop for any devices mounted outside so the rain doesn't drip into the device. Think something like the U-bends under sinks that catch things. That's it. I'm Mike Prestwood, owner of Prestwood IT Solutions in Citrus Heights. Call us to install your wireless bridge or for any tech or website needs you have.